Installing a CX-7 heatsink. Make sure you have a Torx T15 head screwdriver, an alcohol cleaning pad, and an SR675 V3 CX-7 heatsink putty pad kit to perform this task. If there are any old putty pads on the CX-7 mezboard and the CX-7 heatsink, gently clean the top of the CX-7 mezboard and the bottom of the CX-7 heatsink with alcohol cleaning pads. Align the two putty pads with the markings on the bottom of the CX-7 heatsink and attach them to the CX-7 heatsink. Orient the CX-7 heatsink so that the arrow symbol on the CX-7 heatsink faces toward the cable connectors on the CX-7 mezboard, and then gently place the CX-7 heatsink onto the CX-7 mezboard. Fasten the 4 Torx T15 screws in the installation sequence shown on the CX-7 heatsink label. Reinstall the CX-7 assembly. Reconnect the cables to the CX-7 carrier board and CX-7 mezboard. Install the top cover.